when I get low, there's somewhere I like to go, out walking with my shadow and my garden friend.